Today we're covering 7 ways to make money fast if you're in a hurry. Paul James here, welcome back to another video today. I am so excited that you are here. We're gonna dive right into this, but before we do, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you get notified of all my new videos and all of my new methods exactly when I release them. All right, so we're gonna count from 7 and then we're gonna go and end all the way at number 1 for these 7 ways to make money fast if you're in a hurry. All right, starting at number 7 is sell your advice. So there's a site out there, it's called clarity.fm. And what this site is it's a site where you can actually post like what it is that you're good at. So if we come under categories, you can see there's all kinds of different categories here. Like let's say that you're good at social media marketing. You could come under here on this site, and the way it works is that you put your rate by minute. So if someone wants to book 15 minutes, you could see you could book with this person here for $5 per minute, you'd make $15. And if you booked for 3 minutes. So pretty cool. And it allows you to basically splice up your time in smaller doses rather than by the hour, because sometimes people just need just 5 minutes of your time or just 10 minutes of your time. And this is something that you can actually offer people then. And you can see there's a lot of people on here with a lot of reviews, 138 reviews here, 124 reviews here. And you could go on here and just post a skill that you're good at. It doesn't have to be social media. It could be anything. It could be about email. It could be about technology. Maybe you're a programmer. Maybe you're good at WordPress. Maybe you're good at public speaking. Maybe you know something about the restaurant industry. My point is there's probably something that you're really good at or that you know something about. You can go on here, you could create a profile and actually basically become an advisor to people who are looking for more information on that certain subject. Before we get into number 6, I just want to remind you to smash that like button if you're enjoying this video, and don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified of all of my latest videos. All right, so number 6 is a site called If This Then That, and it goes in conjunction with yard sales and estate sales. So what you could do is you could go to yard sales and estate sales and you could look for stuff that you could flip over on Etsy. So Etsy is the popular site where people sell crafts, homemade stuff, vintage stuff. You could go and scout these yard sales, these garage sales, and you could look for some of these different things and you could list them for sale on Etsy. Now this is how you actually really make this method work really, really well. What you want to do is you want to go to If This Then That. It's IFTTT.com. And you want to create an account. It's free to create an account here. Click My Applets and create a new applet. And this is how you want to set it up. You want to click If This. So we're going to go to Craigslist. Okay, new post from a search. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to search on here for, we'll just say garage sale. So go into whatever your Craigslist community is and search for it. And you're going to grab the URL for this search and you're going to paste it in here. And we're going to create a trigger for this. So what's going to happen is anytime that a new post gets posted under garage sale in your town in Craigslist, you can trigger an email alert to be sent out. So that's where the that trigger comes in. You could do either email or text message if you want. Anything that you want to do, phone call even. I recommend either do SMS or email. And what that's going to do is that's going to notify you every time that someone posts about their garage sale. And that's going to make sure that you're notified first so that you can get out there and get all the good stuff and flip it over on Etsy. Heck, you could even flip it on Craigslist or anywhere else for that matter. All right, number 5 on our list is to become a freelancer or a virtual assistant. Specifically, I really like this site, Upwork.com. I like Upwork.com because I know it's legitimate, because I actually hire people on here. I've hired tons of people on here, from writers, from virtual assistants, programmers, graphic designers. So virtual assistant is something that pretty much anyone could do. And it's a good way to make some money pretty quickly, because you can come on here and you can find companies that they don't want to hire someone who is like local, who comes into the office. They want to hire a virtual person who they can have do miscellaneous tasks. Like it might be something where you're researching something for them, or you might be doing some like Excel documents or some fixing up Word documents for them. You know, they're just kind of easy tasks, but they need someone to help out with that. So you could come in here, you can post a job if you're an employer. And then what you could do is you could sign up as an employee or a freelancer, and you can start applying for those jobs that are posted. And there's just tons of people on here posting, so it's a really great site to actually do that for. So I'd highly recommend checking that out. That is number 5. Number 4 on our list is to recommend products as an affiliate. Now there's a lot of affiliate programs out there, and depending on what kind of affiliate marketing you want to do. So one of them is called Commission Junction, and this is cj.com. Now they have big retailers like Walmart and lots of other people. They used to anyways. Hopefully they still do. If not, look around. Walmart actually has an affiliate program though. So you could recommend physical products to people and get paid a percentage of them. Or they have other types of products on here as well. Like you might recommend someone to, I don't know, maybe get virus protection on their computer or something like that. If someone that you know is looking for virus protection. By recommending that, you could actually get paid for that. Another site is clickbank.com. So clickbank.com is more digital products. So these could be things like products on how to lose weight, or products on how to do investing, or products on, I mean, there's just all kinds of things. Like you could just look through here and you'll just see all kinds of different things, different languages, how to learn different languages, how to sing, how to dance, keyword research, guitar, how to play guitar, how to do photography, all these different things that people might be looking for. And you get paid on ClickBank. It's usually 50% commission. So if the product is $30, just by recommending it, you'd get paid $15 on that. So it's a really good way to get some money flowing in. And if you already have someone or a market that you know needs something and you can get paid by recommending a good product, that could be a really fast way for you to make some money if you're needing it quickly. All right, number 3 on our list is to find stuff around your house to flip. So there's a couple different websites that you could actually flip stuff on. eBay is the most obvious one. Everyone knows eBay. You could go on here. You know, if you have stuff laying around the house that you're just not really using and you know you could just part with, go ahead and find it, list it on eBay, and that could be a way to make some quick money. Another thing that I've used is a site called Letgo. I've actually used the app version of it, so you download it right on your smartphone. If you've got an iPhone or Android device, you download it, and then you post your item that you're trying to sell, something around the house, and boom, you can connect with people who are looking for that item. They make you an offer, counter offer, whatever it is, you know, negotiate with them, and boom, now you can sell it. And it's a really good way to get some money flowing in. Also Craigslist, just depending on what you're selling, might be a good option for that as well. All right, so number 2 on our list is to flip domains, and GoDaddy auctions and Flippa is our combination of choice if you're going to go this route. And I'm going to show you how it works because it's really easy. So GoDaddy has an auction site of their website. It's called auctions.godaddy.com. You can search by keywords on here, or you can just scroll through. And some of the domains you need a membership to browse, but there are ones that you see the bargain bin or the closeouts. There's no membership required for these. And you can search through, you can see the price that the domains are. You could even search by lowest price if you wanted. So starting at $15, and you can go through here and try to find a good domain name. You know, this one here, universalrazor.com. Like that's a really, really good domain name right here. What you could do is you could then head over to a site like flippa.com. Flippa is a marketplace where people buy domain names, they buy websites, they buy e-commerce stores, different things like that. Basically like digital assets, I would say. And what you can do is you could list that domain on there that you found for $15, list it for $100, or list it for $200. And you could put it up on a quick auction, maybe 3 days, depending on how much time you have. And boom, you'll get people bidding on it. It's kind of like eBay, but for digital stuff. And they'll start bidding on it, and whoever bids the highest will get it then, depending on if you set your reserve at $100 or whatever you set your reserve at. Really, really solid method. And if you want to take this up a notch, you could even build out a website already for that domain name, but you can just sell domain names on here. You could see here, Amazon FBA, apps, domain, and starter sites. So just domains will do well too. So that's number 2 on our list. And number 1 on our list is my favorite. It is selling leads to business owners. Specifically, I'm going to show you a really easy way that pretty much anyone can do, and that is with Facebook. So If you have a Facebook account, you could go to business.facebook.com to create a free business account. And what you do is you post a simple ad that looks like this. And I recommend going after a different niche because, you know, if you copy me, it's gonna get super saturated. Try a different niche, but what you do is you post an ad that looks like this, make it super generic as far as the branding goes because you're not advertising any specific company, you're just advertising the niche itself. And you post an ad that looks like this, and what you do is when the leads come in from the ad, you reach out to potential business owners who might want these leads and you offer to sell them to them. It's a really solid strategy. In this particular example, the going rate for these is around $55 to $65 per lead. And on Facebook, you can acquire these leads. For this particular ad, we acquired leads around $3 per lead. So do the math, $3 paying for the lead, sell it for $55 or $65. It's crazy. Sometimes people will pay even a lot more than that, up to hundreds of dollars per leads, depending on the industry that you go into. So this could be a really great way to make some money and really get going with things. So those are my top methods. If you like this method in particular, you're gonna wanna check out the link in the description of this video. I have some free email templates that I actually give you during a free, about an hour-long training, and I give you the email templates that I use to actually sell the leads. Now that you know how to get them, I show you how to actually sell the leads, and I'll even show you in detail of how to get them as well. But check that out in the description below. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to be subscribed. Comment below after you subscribed and I will reply back to it, and smash a like on this video if you enjoyed it. I'm also going to leave a link to a video I want you to check out after this about the best business ideas for 2019. If you liked this video, you're definitely gonna wanna check that video out. But until next time, guys, I will see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.